If you want to enhance your PlayStation security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Visit the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app on your device. Enter your account credentials to log into your PlayStation Network PSN account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu under your profile icon or name. Step 3. Access security settings. In the account settings, look for the security or device management options. This section will allow you to view all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Review linked devices. Check the list of devices that are currently linked to your account. Identify any old or unused devices that you want to remove from your account. Step 5. Remove unwanted devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove and follow the prompts to unlink them from your account. Confirm the removal when prompted to ensure the changes take effect. By following these steps, you can keep your PlayStation account secure and free from old devices. Regularly managing your account settings is a good practice for maintaining your online security.